Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Fatimah. I'm from UIN Syarif Hidayatullah, Jakarta. I'm going to express my opinion about benefit of sleeping on your right side for health. Sleep has a very big influence on the condition of our body. By fulfilling daily sleep needs, it helps the body repair damaged cells, produce hormone, and carry out the growth process. Sleeping position also affect health. According to Dr. Hooman Melamed, an orthopedic surgeon at Teks Sport and Spine Center in Los Angeles, California, 80% of the population may experience back pain several times in their lives caused by the wrong sleeping position. The best sleeping position, according to scientific research, is resting on the right side of the body, facing right. In accordance with the fact that have been tested throughout modern medical research, this is in accordance with the recommendation of the Prophet Muhammad in the Sunnah long before the era of research and technology as it is today. The hadith of Rasulullah SAWreads, "Lie down on your right rib." Hadith riwayat Al-Bukhari and Muslim. Behind the Sunnah, when the Prophet advised his people to sleep on their right side, this is not without reason. It turns out that medically there are many benefits for our bodies. Firstly, reduce the burden on the heart. When the body sleeps on its right side, the blood will flow more evenly and the heart rate will be slower and calmer. Secondly, resting the left brain and left foot. The left brain is the center of right side of body. So in daily life, the left brain works more often. The left leg is also more often used as a barrier or balancer, which is also heavily loaded. Thirdly, helps a clear gastric emptying. Sleeping on your right side can indeed make various important organs of the body rest. The stomach can also rest when the sleeping position is facing to the right, so that the stomach emptying process will run quickly. Research show when humans sleep on their right side, food will be able to be digested by the indigenous within 2.5 to 4.5 hours. However, in other sleeping position, food will be finishing digesting after 5 to 8 hours. It was also explained that if a person sleeps on his left side, this is not good for health, especially for heart. This kind of sleeping position, then the right lung, which is large in size, will press towards the lung. This affects the performance of the heart, especially those who are elderly. Okay, with the scientific fact about the benefit of sleeping on your right side, I believe that we should start getting used to sleeping on our right side. And because one of the ways to improve sleep quality is by paying attention to the sleeping position, is served as a talk by the Prophet Muhammad SAW, which is medically proven to be beneficial. That's all I have to say my opinion. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.